that's there. Now he lets off of all the stuff. Grinding his teeth. Oh, shit. This is the one. Yeah. I'm going to give him this because it's anchored. Oh, shit.
I will.
Yes, isn't that one? No, because I don't want Oh, that's fun. Oh. Can you do it? You do it. Oh, he can't do it yet.
Hi, Owie. Hi, buddy. You having fun? You are? You like the beach? You love the beach. Me too. Me too.
Oh.
What's that? Say it again. Wow!
I was going like this, and he went and done it right away. You're right. I saw that hat and that post, and I thought it was an animal crawling up. His tears. Now that's going in his mouth. Yeah, that's seaweed. Throw it away. Throw it. Throw it. No. I told you. What is it? What is it? You know he wants to come down here.
You want to go in the water, don't you? You can. You go in, I'll get your picture. Come on in. Come on in, come on. Oh, it's nice, Owie. Come on. You got his foot in the wet sand. Wow. Oh, no, 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 yuck. He wants to kiss. Whee! Wow, Owie! Good job! Wow! You like it, Owen? Oh, what's that? Turn to me, Mom.
I lost you. What makes you? Oh, Owen. Oh. Hey, there's a crow. There's a crow. Look. Look. Ah. Ah. What's he doing down here? Don't go by the crow. I think that water got hotter. Warmer.
Spit it out, Owie. Let me see you. Oh, yeah.